Well, I took my Nikon Z6 into Nikon Canada for a sensor cleaning. I think it was Friday, and got it back on Tuesday, so that's pretty fast. They called me midday, I think it was, on Tuesday, so I went and picked it up before they closed at 4:45, and everything seems to be good. Boy, did I miss it while I was away. So as I said in my last video about this, the Z6 kind of grows on you over time. And the quality that it puts out, particularly on the video side, is very good. And as you can see, they've finally updated their snap bridge so it now works in the new iOS. So I can now make sure that the face detection is working. It's funny I don't see the eye detection working. Oh, well, it's maybe because I'm in 4K. But anyway, it seems to be working pretty well. What else? I had a week's vacation in Maine. Took a bunch of lighthouse pictures. And a funny thing happened. While I was taking the lighthouse pictures, I had the camera out on a tripod. It was before the sun came up. So it was like a 2-3 second exposure. And then I thought, well, why not shoot some video while I'm here? So I did shoot a few videos. And of course, whenever you shoot video, you have to worry about sound. But I didn't really worry about sound because it's just kind of a lighthouse. You could always put sound in later, right? Because I have like hours of waves crashing in my sound effects library that I used to do theater sound for years. So it's kind of interesting to see, to have a camera that really makes you want to shoot video. Because up until now, I haven't really wanted to do it. I mean, even though I'm kind of a film buff and I went to school for film and video production way back when, in the 80s, I ended up in the computer business instead because the money was more regular, right? But I'd still like to do something in film someday soon. So I guess the best I can do is come up with something with my Z6, a personal project or something. So it's kind of fun to get back into video in a small way and see how that goes. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and fade out.